Still turning, high desert shadows stretching for miles, volcano skyline wearing crooked smile, wind in my hair, radio loud, nobody around but a wildfire cloud, black rock kingdom wild and free, this mountain's got a hold on me, yeah, she's been sleeping but she ain't dead. The black glass heart. Paulina shining like a mirror of steel. East Lake showing me what legends feel. Cinder cone shadows crawling the ground. Every scar tells a story around. 400 vents and 1,000 dreams. Nothing out here is quite what it seems. Ash and lava painted this land. Time itself carved it by hand. Got a black glass heart and a soul made of stone. Born from the fire, been standing alone. A million years of thunder still echo through the dark. This mountain keeps beating with a black glass heart. Big obsidian shining midnight black. One-way trip and there ain't no turning back. River of glass from a long-lost flame, still burning bright without a name. The earth gets quiet, the wind gets cold, but this mountain story ain't never been told. Got a black glass heart and a soul made of stone. Born from the fire, been standing alone. A million years of thunder still echo through the dark. Newberry keeps beating with a black glass heart. Black glass heart, still burning, still burning. desert wind still sweet. More than 400 vents scar the land, cones and flows spread across the sand. Lava butte rose in a fiery night, throwing sparks into the Oregon sky bright. The ridge between the lakes still stands, built by eruptions and drifting sands. Pumice and ash from an ancient roar shaped the crater floor forevermore. And the radio fades as the canyon winds turn. The earth keeps a story, the rocks still burn. By the rim where the black glass shines, through the cinders and the ancient pines, 1,000 years feels like yesterday, when obsidian rivers found their way. Under the glass, under the stone, you can hear the mountain breathing low. Newberry, keep your secrets deep, while the high desert wind still sweet. Then came the youngest fire in the night, a dome of obsidian catching the light. The big obsidian flow spread dark and slow, a river of glass from the depths below. Now hikers walk where the lava froze, past sharp black shards and pumice rolls. The mountain rests, but the heat remains beneath the forests and summer rain.